By this time, you guys should have access to my Creator GPT. Thank you guys for your support. So today, this is going to be on the 3D thumbnail creator. So it creates creative 3D thumbnail in 16:9 aspect ratio. Start by writing your content headline. So maybe I can just plug in my headline. So for example, AI is AGI is coming. Everyone should be aware of this. Just a random headline. Let's see what it creates. So it basically prompts DALL-E 3 to create the thumbnail, the 3D thumbnail. And what I basically instructed to do is to create a minimalistic illustration based on the user's prompt. Right here, it looks pretty good. It's able to create a silhouette of a humanoid robot head emerging from a digital horizon set against a gradient background. This design aims to encapsulate the concept of AGI's arrival in a futuristic and thought-provoking manner. Alright, so this is what you can do with this. It's meant for YouTube, 16:9. If you guys want to have other aspect ratio, you can let me know and I can create these GPTs specifically for you, or you can just subscribe to my newsletter where I'll be going through them. Link is below, and I'll go through all the instructions, the specific prompts that I've used to create these specific GPTs, and you can customize them based on whatever you like. All right, we'll see you guys there.